In 2015, our genius friend Julio Montoro from Spain released Pop Change. We love the concept so much that we never stop exploring on the concept for the past 3 years. After having taken the concept through countless real-world performance, the result has evolved into something that does much more beautiful things.
Good, really good. Look, she's a professional. Can't shake her. Can't shake her. Red Bull and Coke. Pick one. Which one do you like? Red Bull, okay. You hold this. This one's for you, right? But those are two different drinks. That's not good. I'm gonna try to do something miracle. I'm gonna take a little bit of Red Bull inside my fingertips. I put it over here. Watch. 3, 2, 1. You see that? It changed into a Red Bull. Have a look. Make sure it's real. Show to the camera. Yes, now they are Red Bull sisters. Taste it, make sure it's real.
If you like magic with everyday object, you gotta check this out. Welcome to Vending Machine.